Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. I'm Adrian and this is Online Evidence channel. In the other video, I showed you how we can create a Nestjs application. In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can create a resource and how we can create a module with RESTful API architecture. For this purpose, you must enter nest generate resource. For example, here I want to have authentication, then enter generate nest generate sorry, there was a mistake here. Generate then enter. Okay, now you see it asks for the architecture. As you see, what transfer layer do you use. For example, we have RESTful API, GraphQL, microservice, and WebSockets. Here I want to teach you REST API. Okay, so now I create RESTful API, and it asks, would you like to generate CRUD entry points, and I enter Y. So as you see here, now we have a directory, a module called authentication. As you know, in the main module, we have controller and also service. Okay, when we create an Nestjs application, and main controller, we don't have anything here as the point. It means that it answers the main route. Okay, so now I run the application, npm run start div. Now my application is running, and I can go to the postman to test on my application. Here I have general collection. I will add the request. Here for the name, I put main, for example, main. And here the endpoint is localhost 300. And the type of the request is get. And as you see, if I send the request, I get hello world. Exactly what we have here in the controller. As you see, it gives the answer, gives the response, hello world. Okay. Then inside the controller, if I add something here, for example, if I put main, then if I want to check, you see it doesn't answer, and it gives status code 404, and here I need to add main. Then if I send the request again, as you see, again I get the answer. So let me undo this. In the same way, for authentication, it automatically adds points here. And for example, here, as you see, we have controller with authentication point. Okay. It also has a service that answers a basic information. For example, for the get, it calls find all function in the service that answers did this action returns all authentication. As you see, we can also check the function itself. As you see, find all is here. it answers with the sentence. So here, if I want to get the response, I copy this, I will change this to that point, and I send a GET request. As you see, it answers this section, returns all authentication. I hope this video helped you. I will teach you how to create components, services, and other things in the other videos. Please follow me and learn Nestjs in an advanced level. Once you have watched all the videos, you can uh, send me a message in Telegram and we can create a project with each other and make money. Thank you. See you in next.